Kenya's public debt is galloping towards the 9 trillion ceiling against a GDP of Kenya shillings 11 trillion. This means that for every 100 shillings of revenue collected, 70 shillings goes towards paying debt. That leaves a paltry 30 shillings for public salaries, health services, education, security, infrastructure, and all those services that fall under devolved government. Yet we are told all the time by faceless people, yani team Danganya Kenya. Team Danganya Kenya. Not to speak about these things to Kenyans. But we must speak about these things. We must tell Kenyans that their country is at risk of being auctioned by international lenders. Critical national assets have been mortgaged. Indeed, the whole country is now on mortgage. We must tell Kenyans the truth about the so-called public-private partnerships. The private partners in these cartel-style deals are people in government, working with their close family members and cronies. These people are literally eating up the country. They are eating you up. For how long will we allow this to go on? These are the real thieves in the country. We must reject their political projects and sinister schemes in this year's elections. We are tired. I, Musalia Mudavadi, have refused to board the boat of lies. I was never trained to be a liar.